Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per session, in today's class, please note, in today's class, I am going to discuss on the topic discrete probability distribution. Discrete, DESCRETE, discrete probability distribution. Okay, I can hope that you know that there are two types of distribution of variables in probability. One is continuous distribution, another is discrete distribution. Now, it is a matter of a very good interest for you that what is discrete probability distribution. Suppose you are taking any variable as x in probability or in random process, you say that random process is such a process in which we can't forecast about the happening of an event, and such happening doesn't follow any certain mathematical rule. That happening is random happening. And if this happening, if you denote this happening by a small x, and if you say that this x is true only for a particular value of x as x is equal to 5, means your probability is that you will win the match if 5 players of your choice will be players in your playing team. You have already assigned the value x is equal to 5. So if the probability or if the random value of a variable is just assigned a particular value and true for a particular value, then you should note that that distribution of probability is discrete distribution. And if your that variable, if you say that no, whatever may be the name of the players, that may be 5 or that may be 10, I am all rounder, I can win any match. You can, you are expressing the probability. So that is what? That is the probability of happening of an event. But you are assigning any value of variable. So let us see a PDF I am sharing here with you that is detailing about the discrete probability distribution. Here you say What is the difference between discrete and continuous data? Discrete data can only take on particular values in a range. Discrete data can take only particular value of a variable. Means in discrete probability, the probability is going to be assigned for a particular value. But in continuous data, can take on any value in a range. Discrete data usually arise from counting, while continuous data usually arises from measuring. So example is here also. I have given you some live example in the beginning of my lecture that what is the discrete and what is continuous data, and what is the relation between such distribution. You should read this. There is an example of a, you can say, plant and fertilizer, and this is the size of household, and this is the probability distribution. Like is the example here. This is the pictorial representation, and I hope that you are aware about this. This is the standard deviation. You can use this if it is needed. So students, I hope that you have understand that what is the discrete probability distribution. This session has been powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any doubt or any confusion, you can write your comment in the comment box, and I promise that it will be resolved in case you are writing there. Thank you for enjoying and listening this lecture. Thanks again.